This is for assignment 7.2. The question is, who is your idol or favorite Arnisador and why? Well, for me, my favorite Arnisador, his name is James Batoampo. He was an athlete. He was also a former coach at Philippine Sports Commission, and he was my professor in Arnis when I was in college. Bakit siya yung napili ko bilang my favorite Arnisador? Most of my classmates, not only me, but most of my classmates will absolutely agree on what I'm going to say because we learned so many things from Coach James. Being an athlete, how to become a better person, diba? Another one is his work ethics, at ang pinaka tumatak sa amin na trait niya is yung discipline on and off the court. At napapansin namin yun, not only by showing to his students but also to those athletes na kina-coach niya. Importante sa kanya na hindi lang sa loob ng court pinapakita yung disiplina but also on how you treat other people as well, on how to become a better person and so on and so forth. Kaya siya yung napili ko bilang my favorite artist. But still, of course, credits to Sir Chris. Sobrang patient ng tao. Intelligence-wise, Sir Lodi ka.
Idol or favorite in Arnisadors. So one of my favorite and idolized in the field of Arnis is Sir Bernard Mendoza of San Miguel, Bulacan High School, which is he taught me sa mga kasanayan, sa mga kaalaman na dapat kong malaman sa larangan na Arnis, not only sa pagtuturo, pati na rin sa mga players kung paano ang gagawin. Siya yung nagturo sa akin para mag-excel sa larangan na to, hindi lang sa field ng Arnis, and also i-prove sa sarili ko na kahit ako ay babae, mapapakita ko yung aking kagalingan, not only by teaching, also by coaching, and also by referee or judging. Kaya masasabi kong siya yung aking idolize sa larangan ng Arnis.
This is my answer in the question, who is your idol or favorite Arnisador and why? Okay, for me, actually nababasa ko lang siya sa libro and naituro ko lang din siya nung humawak ako ng grade 7 students noon. One of my idol is si Sir Remi Amador Presas. Siya po ay binansagang founder of the modern Arnis, which is dahil nakabuo siya or bumuo siya ng sarili niyang style in Arnis, and isa rin yun sa mga way kung bakit talagang nakilala yung Arnis hindi lang sa ating bansa, maging sa iba't ibang bansa pa. Nagsimula si Sir Remi sa Arnis at the age of 6, talagang nagsanay siya, nagpalakas siya in field of Arnis, and for me, one of the good things na ginawa niya is yung nagtry siya na magturo ng Arnis sa mga kabataan noon sa province kung saan siya pinanganak, which is sa Negros Occidental. So, nakaka-proud lang kasi same kami ng province, kababayan ko siya. And ngayon, tinatawag na siyang father of the modern Arnis.
Okay, ang favorite Arnisador athletes ko, si Mary Allin Aldeguer para sa babae, at si Crisamuel Delfin para sa lalaki. Pareho sila nag-perform sa SEA Games 2019 at pareho silang nakapag-uwi ng gold medal para sa Pilipinas. Ang ganda ng performance nila na napanood ko sa YouTube. So I imagine kung maraming makakapanood nung performance nilang yun sa YouTube or kahit anong media, malaking bagay yun para mahikayat ng marami para mag-practice ng Arnis. So, that's it for my assignment. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone. 1, and this is my assignment number 7.2. The question is, who is your idol or your favorite Arnisador and why? My favorite Arnisador is Sir Raymond Baliuag. He is one of my mentors in teaching Arnis way back when I was teaching physical education in college. And what I really admire about Sir Raymond is that he's not a physical educator but an English professor. But still, he has the heart to promote Arnis, no? And what he said to me is that he believes that teaching and practicing Arnis will promote culture and discipline and will continue to be learned by future generations. And that's one thing I really appreciate to Sir Raymond, even he is not into physical education first. Okay, that's for me, no, that's very important because teaching Arnis is also promoting your culture, promoting who we are and what we are, and promoting our own versions of martial arts. And that's it. Thank you.
Hello po. So for my assignment 7.2, I am really looking up to this YouTube channel po na group ng mga nag-Arnis, the Alab YouTube channel. So gusto ko po ito dahil during the time na nagbibigay ako ng reference sa mga students ko, itong YouTube channel na to yung isa sa mga kinukuhanan ko ng reference sa pagtuturo ng Arnis. But they are actually featuring the professional level of Arnis. Kaya I'm very happy din po na si Sir Chris ay nagkaroon na rin po ng YouTube channel kasi yung way po ng approach niya sa mga ina-upload niyang videos is talaga pong mas nakakatulong rin po sa mga teachers dahil it's really in a discussion way po talaga. Through discussion po. So, nilulook up ko din po siya dito, especially he is our professor here. And at the same time din po, gusto ko rin pong bigyan ng acknowledgement po si Sir Angel at saka si Sir Pat kasi every time po na nagsasubmit sila ng assignment, activity, hindi naman po ako nahihiyang sabihin na isa sila sa pattern ko. Even po si Ma'am Mary Rose po, ayan, isa rin po siya sa pattern ko sa mga sinasubmit kong assignments dito. So, hindi na po ako nag-focus doon sa mga nag-Arnis na nakasulat sa Google or yung mga references natin from history. So, nag-refer na lang po talaga ako doon sa mga kakilala ko and talaga pong mga nakikita ko, especially through YouTube and through our GC. So, thank you so much po.
For assignment number 7.2, who is your idol, favorite Arnisador, and why? Like what I said before, this is my first time to experience Arnis sport. So for me, my favorite Arnisador is my professor, Coach Chris Miranda Briosas. Why? Because he is very passionate in his job. As a Arnis instructor, pinag-aaralan niya talaga every details. Yung right movement, and then yung mga stances, kung paano yung angle, and so on and so forth. So for me, my idol, my favorite Arnisador, none other than my professor. Thank you po.
My favorite Arnisador is Mr. Dante E. Villagawan of Nagpayong High School. I admire his dedication when it comes to the way he trains our student athletes. He also inspires the young people when it comes to discipline that is related to training of martial arts. Another thing that I admire about him is that he is always willing to help those people who are having difficulties in understanding the proper training and position, and he is willing to give his time to train and to give more lessons to those people who are in need.